Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome back. I am Mark Thompson with Watermark Data, and these are the Alteryx tutorials. Today we're doing challenge number 46. Effectively, this one is going to take this piece of data and turn it into a date. Now, there are some rules about how we're going to accomplish that. And up here, it talks about what those rules are. If it's a 1, then the year starts with 20. If it's a 0, it starts with 19. So effectively, we're going to replace a 1 with a 20 and a 0 with a 19. And then the second couple of numbers come after that. Okay? So let's get into it. First thing we do is we're going to parse this out. Right now we've got this. We use the Regex tool. It's up here. You can find it in the Parse section. And we only have one column of data. The Regex is, and there are 100 ways to write Regex. And there are 100 ways, quite frankly, that I could break this out and do this slightly different, but this is the way I chose. That first bracket right there, so that you see right here, right? That first expression is a period. The squiggly brackets like that indicate it's exactly one character. The next expression is, again, the dot indicates any character. The squiggly lines mean exactly 2. Same for this one and same for the third one. And so what you get is it breaks out into 4 expressions, the 1 or the 0, and then it's either it's 2 digits, and so this will couple with 1s being 20 and the 0 being 19. And then it's month, and then it's day. Our next Regex breaks out and substitutes that 1 digit back here. That's 1. Substitutes the 20. See that? What I'm doing is I'm saying, okay, give me anything here, and I use square brackets to indicate any one of these numbers. In this case, there's only one possible number. And replace it with what? Replace it with 20. The next regex is effectively the same thing. Now, if you take a look, I'm gonna expand this just a little bit for you. If you take a look, first we swap the 1s for 20s. Now we're gonna swap the 0s for 19. So see the 0s, and then when we do this in here, which is saying, hey, I'm gonna use this at the start, and if it says 0, replace it with 19. Lastly, we're going to turn this into a date. How do we do that? We do that by saying regex out 1, which is this, plus regex out 2, which is this. So now we've got 2004 or 1999, 2014, 2009, 1994, 1947, 1952, plus a dash, you see the dash, plus regex out 3, which is the month, plus a dash, plus regex out 4, which is the day. And then we use the date format, and it's all put together. It's concatenated, if you will, as a string, as a word a lot of people are familiar with from Excel. And that's all there is to this particular exercise. Again, I am Mark Thompson with Watermark Data. Please hit the like button if you like what you saw. Hit the share button if you want to tell your friends. And of course, I am always interested in hearing how I could do these better for you. And go ahead and leave a comment down at the bottom. Till next time, signing off.